Welcome to my channel. Yeah, so let's discuss about problem solving. So actually problem solving అనేది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలపర్స్కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో మనం కంపెనీ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అటెండ్ అయినా సో ద ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ విల్ బీ కండక్టెడ్ ఆన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్కి మనకి చాలా వెబ్సైట్స్ ఉంటాయి లైక్ వేర్ దేర్ విల్ బీ వీ కెన్ గో అండ్ సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దేర్. సో నేను లీడ్ కోడ్ తీసుకున్నాను అండ్ ఇందులో లైక్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో టూ సమ్ అనేది లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ సో మెనీ కంపెనీస్. సో లెట్స్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్ టుడే. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లైక్ ఒకసారి ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చదువుదాము. ఓకే, గివెన్ ఏ అరే ఆఫ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ ఇంటిజర్ టార్గెట్. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏంటంటే మనకి ఒక అరే ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తారు అండ్ సింగిల్ వాల్యూ లైక్ టార్గెట్ వాల్యూ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. సో రిటర్న్ ఇండిసెస్ ఆఫ్ ది టూ నెంబర్స్ సచ్ దట్ దే యాడ్ అప్ టు ద టార్గెట్. So we can see the examples also. So let's see the example one. So input numbers, like we have this array of integers and a target value 9. So we need to see like what are the two numbers that are adding to the target value. So if we see here, like we have 2 and 7, like 2 plus 7 is 9. So that like we have the pair, like we have the pair 2 and 7. So we should return the indices of these numbers, like which is 0, 1. So we can see the explanation also, like 0 or like array of 0 is 2 and array of 1 is 7. So which will add up to 9. So we will return 0, 1. So let's see next example. Now we have 3, 2, 4 and the target is 6. So we know that 4 plus 2 is 6. So we need to return the indices, like which is 0, 1, 2, which is 1, 2. Okay, let's see other example, like 3, 3 and target is 6. Like we know 3 plus 3 is 6. So the output is 0, 1. So we have some of the constraints as well, like where the array length is like greater than 2 and less than 10 power 4, I think, which is 1 lakh. So we can have like 1 lakh values in the array and each value range is between like minus 10 to the power of 9 and 10 to the power of 9. So each value can be in this range, and even the target is in the range of minus 10 power 9 and 10 power 9. So this is the main constraint here. So we have only one valid answer. So that means, we don't have two answers to our values. Like there will be only one pair which will add up to the target. Okay. Let's do this in Java. So you can see this window here. So this is the solution window. So we can write the solution here and we can run the test cases. So yeah, we have the run and submit buttons here. Okay, first of all, like let's do this in our own IDE. So the input is like we have integer of array integer, which is let's take the inputs from first example. And we have int target, which is 9. Yeah, let's do this in a brute force way first of all. So that let's take each value and add up with the other values. So for that, like, we can write a for loop for iterating over the array. Yeah, array dot length and I plus plus. Okay, this will take each value from the array, and then we need to add that value to the other values. So let's take one more for loop. So this will be so we already took one value. So this should be like, we should avoid the I value. This should be like I plus 1. So j is also less than array length and j plus plus. Let's see what's the error. Okay, now let's write the condition. If array of, so these are the indices, right? Array of I plus array of j is equal to our target value. Then let's print. So how we want okay, so let's print the values plus I plus, I'm constructing the string here, plus j plus sorry, okay, yeah. So let's go through the logic once again. Okay, so we have the array and we have the target. So we are iterating the array, like taking one value at a time and then adding the value with the other values. Okay, and if we get if the addition is equal to the target, like, we are printing it. I think and then I think we need to return. I need to stop it here. Okay, just run this one and see. Okay, let's try with this with the other input, 3 comma 2 comma 4. And the target is 6. Okay, sounds like it's working fine. Let's add our logic. In the Leetcode. Okay, let's change the values. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, target is target. Okay, looks like we are good here. just a minute. My system is stuck. Okay. Okay. Let me run this one. Okay. Okay, this is looking for array. Okay, let me create a array. Result array. New int of 2. Okay. Of 0 equal to I of 1 equal to j, then return res. Let's run this one and see. Missing return statement. Okay, the return statement should be here. Let's run this again. Okay, it is accepted. Now we can submit it. Okay, our solution is accepted. But you can see the runtime is 50 milliseconds. So we can reduce this runtime. So this is not a optimized solution. Why? Because we are using two for loops. So the runtime of this one, runtime complexity of this one will be like O of n square because we are using two for loops. So we can optimize this one using some data structures. So you can try that on your own. Maybe like in my next video I will explain that also. Yeah, thanks.